Have you seen this before, or this one, or even this one? Today I'm going to teach you the bellflower that all these items were made from, along with a small leaf. To start, we need white and green yarn, a needle, a crochet hook, a lighter, and a scissors. First, make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets into it. I've included a magic ring tutorial in this video for you. Now crochet 2 single crochets in each stitch, making 6 increases. Now for 4 rounds, crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch. Now in round 7, work into the front loops only. In the first stitch, 1 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. In the second stitch, 1 slip stitch. In the third stitch, repeat the first stitch pattern. Continue this pattern to the last stitch. When you finish the last slip stitch, pull the yarn out and wave it into the flower with the hook to hide it. Now let's move on to the leaves. Chain 6 and start crocheting from the second chain. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. Do the same on the other side of the chains. At the end, make a slip stitch, then chain 6 again. Do not cut the yarn, they should stay connected. Crochet a leaf exactly like the previous one, and at the end chain 1 and cut the yarn. Fix it with a bit of heat. Now crochet as many chains as you like. Then using a needle, insert the chains into one of the flowers and tie a knot till they don't come out. Use the hook to insert the chain into the center of leaves. And ta-da! The bellflower charm is ready. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And if you want more beginners tutorial, you can check out these 2 videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you. Bye bye.